In this trading life that we all live and learn from together every single day, you win some and you lose some, but there's one thing in particular that you can do to make a hell of a lot of money in the long term, and we're going to talk all about it today. What's going on, team? It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are live and back in action with a super valuable and educational video with a few key points throughout that you do not want to miss, so make sure you stick around. First and foremost, we're going to go over a day trading recap. How did we do in Team Bull? A loss that we took, a semi-win. We're going to go over a stock market update. What are we seeing in the market? Where are we going tomorrow? And then overall, a key thing, one tip in particular that can make you a lot of money, something a lot of traders struggle with, and something that I think is really going to help you level up your trading and trade with much more confidence. So all that being said, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to learn next below, and let's get to the money and education together. So starting out the day, as you can see here from our 5-minute chart, we had data come out, PPI data, initial jobless claims. Initial jobless claims came out at 239K versus 232, which means more jobless claims than anticipated, which is what the Fed wants to bring inflation down. Okay, PPI also came in, I think like 0.1 or 0.2 lower than expected. So both things positive for inflation. We had a small gap, and might I just add, this is my least favorite type of day, the gap and the slow grind. We started out today with price action moving like Franklin the Turtle, extremely slow right here. Saw this pop up, and my initial game plan coming into the day, let me just show you real quick, looked like this. So as you can see off the open, my main watch was a 410 to 411 area reject on SPY. Now, I adapted as we went higher. I didn't end up taking that 410, but we did have that as a live trade on our live voice. Always going to be transparent with you. Always going to broadcast wins and losses, which at Team Bull, pretty good about having wins, but we do have losses too. Every real chat does. So always going to show you that. Let's talk about why I adapted to only liking that 411 and where it went wrong. So we go to our daily chart, right? Got our daily chart here. We've had a lot of mixed emotions in the market around this. So looking at this, we get a big bearish candlestick yesterday. Some bearish engulfing here, some 2 rejections off these highs of like 412 right here. Overall, daily looked pretty bearish, right? So we go here, go to our 5-minute chart. Around this 410, I was looking for us to come into the supply zone right around here to the highs of where we rejected yesterday, right around here, and to see a shot down. Well, I see this price action on the open, right? I see this on the open. We had some Franklin the Turtle style movement. Nothing. Just back and forth. You can't trade this, or if you do, you're scalping 10, 20 cents a contract. Like, this is very hard to trade right here. We have this big pop up. So once I see us slowly popping up with some increasing volume, I tell the team on voice, I'm not taking this 410. Now, Grizzly took this 410. Dude is an amazing trader, better than I am. Dude calls bangers. I tried to get him on here to explain, what he was seeing on here, why he ended up taking that. He was doing Grizzly things in the forest or whatever he's doing. Nonetheless, it fit his data trading strategy, ended up touching this pre-market high where he wanted to reject, just didn't work out. So for myself, I'm going to explain what I was seeing and why I waited till this 411 area and how it worked out. And then I want to go over a tip that I think will help a lot of traders, especially the small account builders. So again, seeing this volume come in, said no, 410, can't fight this strength. Waited till this 411 area. And while it was the top for a while, like this shows right here, we had the right area. This 411 was a big area of confluence. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Had like almost a dollar move. Came back up, rejected, rejected. Had a really hard time getting over. Move up, base back down, and then move up. So it was very clear this was our area of confluence. We got that right, and that's all we can ask for. Now, big thing here, huge thing here. So many traders, whether you're listening to me or, the next guy, or you just listen, you're trading by yourself, which is fine, right? Let's say you end up taking even 410. Let's just say you took 410, all right? Say you took 410. We're going to get our, I was going to say use our fib tool, but now that we're here, trend line. Okay, let's say we take this 410 right here. You need to have a plan to where if your trade goes straight up, it doesn't annihilate your account. You are not going to make money trading long-term by being the best winner. Even if this trade, let's say, came up here, worked out perfectly, took a straight shot down. Okay, cool. Let's say you got this. That's fantastic. You make a lot of money on this. But if you don't have a plan, my friends, for when the trade goes against you like this, comes around and then ends up going up, you are not going to make it as a trader. The best loser wins in trading. I haven't made millions of dollars from wins. I've made millions of dollars trading from being the best loser, keeping my losses small and allowing my winners to outweigh them. That is how I trade. I don't have a 100% win rate. I think last year I ended at like 73 or 74%, like, which is still fantastic. Nonetheless, you don't become a profitable trader from winning. You become it from having smaller losers, because you can, have 5 of these trades right here, but the second one goes against you, if you're full ported here and you let it run, you just gave up all of these. Because likely on this trade right here, you ended up getting in here and took most of your profit right around here. Whereas you get in a loser and you let it run, all the way into oblivion. We got to stop letting that happen, fam. I'm so damn passionate about it because I see it happen all the time. So as a trader, I want you guys, every single trade going in saying, okay, I'm getting in here. Or maybe like for example, if I would have taken this 410, here's how I would have taken it. I would have added at 410 and lightly, very lightly, if my main area was 411, I would have added heavier at 411. Hopefully trim this down to at least break even or small green right here. Then your stop is above this 411 area. You can't just have your plan stop above this 411 and then hold, and then sell right here for a loss. Like, that's not how it works. That's not how you're going to become a profitable trader. So at Team Bull, one of the biggest things we like to emphasize is risk management, stop losses, and becoming the best loser. That tip alone is going to make you so much more money, fam. So much more money. Become the best loser. Manage your losses. When you have those wins, let them run. I'm not saying 500,000%. I'm saying, that those trims, 20, 30, 40, 50%, and let the remainders run. And then when you have those losers, you got to keep them small. You got to keep them small, fam. So in the end, okay day. We did have a loss in live trading. I'll always say that. We're going to have more losses in the future. Any group will. If they tell you differently, they're lying. I've been trying to do these Team Bull day trading recaps every day. Some days, obviously, I won't be able to post. I try to post here every day. Let me get that straight. I have a free course on here, the podcast. Try to come and talk to you guys raw and not edited, all that good stuff. So I'm going to try to keep these updates every single day. Wins or losses, you're going to know. We'd love for you to come, trade with us, learn with us. Link is below. And on the final note, let's look where we're going tomorrow. Okay. This market, this looked pretty bearish up until this. This decent volume here with the slow grind up. I hate gap and grind days, might I add. I hate gap and grind days. Like, just the slow little grind up after a gap up. My least favorite days, probably by far. So looking at this, I'm still going to watch. I'll probably look for like a 412 area bounce, right? See if we can use this 412, 411 area bounce, use this previous resistance as support. See if we can trend up to this like 418-ish. What I would really like to see is I'd love to reject this 4,200 on SPX. If we can get up here and reject this, I would love to do that. Let's see if we can get any fib tools while we're here together too. Let's go here. Anything new there? Not really. The next 78.6 is 42.91. Damn. So, well, I thought we were going to fib here. We're not. So we busted right through this. I still like this 4,200 area for a reject. Definitely worth trying in my opinion. Something I will do, and we'll see how it works out. So God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you join us on Instagram live at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And let's get rich together. God bless. Peace.